Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off wallpaper perspective zoom on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to tap on settings. In the settings page, you want to go down and tap on wallpaper. Next, on the wallpaper screen, you have the lock screen or the home screen. So if you tap on the lock screen, you can change the perspective zoom. So down here is the perspective zoom button. So you tap on that to turn it on or off. Now if the perspective zoom is on, when you move your phone from side to side, you can see the photos will changes. So tap on it to turn it on or off. So at the moment it is set to on. Also, if you want to make changes to the home screen, just tap on the home screen wallpaper, and here you can also tap on it to turn it on or off. And that's it. Then don't forget to tap on the set button to save the changes. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.